Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay.
Magandang umaga!
Yeah, with my friend, my therapist, friend in Davao, Leia
God is
Cornel.
good all the time.
Okay, so another session for feel good massage to Leia Forneas. Good hands. Let's begin, yeah. So, what's the first?
Ano gusto niyo unahin? Likod or harap?
Harap. Mas gusto ko unahin ang
Harap na lang.
harap na lang. Sige.
Okay.
Pwede rin sa ano pa?
Yes.
Okay. So, yan.
Okay na.
So, the massage is going on. There we go. Ano bang tama? Una sa ulo, una sa paa, ano ba talaga sa pinag-aralan?
Lower body spa.
Lower, okay.
Legs.
So we'll start the legs.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, come now to feel good here in Davao City. We'll spring to
Wellspring 2.
Black.
Black 7 lot 4.
Block 7, Lot 4, just near the basketball court. Okay, many times nakapag-massage na ako sa kanya, and she's also a caregiver for those would like to avail of these services. Yeah. So this is my favorite part, the feet part sa paa.
Lower body.
Lower.
The legs and
Yeah, legs, especially my feet, yeah. Okay. So,
we begin in the stretching and exercise.
we do not immediately start the massage, but bending, stretching first.
Warm up,
Warm
stretching,
up, stretching.
exercise.
Okay. And how do you call this? Is this also reflexology? Yeah. Reflex din ito?
Yeah, by
Yeah.
part ng body na ako pressure.
Yes. And
But it's a
Swedish? I tried Thai massage, iba rin yun. Thai.
Diba, ay balok-balok toting ka nun.
Thai. Then the room is dim. There's no light, so dark. Yun bang Thai massage? They will, switch off the light. That's
Okay.
according to the therapist, so the client can sleep.
Okay, wait lang po.
Did you really, earn this by experience?
Baka madilim na sa
Just put off, the light na lang, yeah. Switch off na lang, yeah, because we're having
Switch
a
off,
video.
off,
On na lang.
on.
On na lang, on. Hindi, I'm just trying to tell you that the Thai massage is like that. Okay, thank you, viewers, for joining
Okay.
me. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I love it. Aircon room.
With dim light.
Yeah, with dim light. Okay. Nice one. So, we're still in the feet part. Can we show it to the audience, the feet part also, later. Yeah, I love this part. Massage sa paa. To, paa.
Thanks.
Yeah, love that one.
Stretching,
Okay,
warm up,
stretching. So,
exercise.
yeah. So, we'll show it to the viewers a little more. Yeah. This is
Just push
it.
the
Push the
legs
legs
upward, then it will rotate,
rotate and
reverse, rotate.
how many times?
It can make it 2 or 3, but
Or
it's okay too.
I love it. Miss ko talaga yun yung ganun part. Yung ano mo dyan mo. Yeah.
Tagal kasi
Oh.
wala nag-exercise.
Uy, I always exercise there, no? Sa residensya. Oh, I have my signature exercise. Moving of the feet, moving of the hands. Yes, di ba nakita post ko? Meron akong video ako ba? Oh, mabot pa ako ng run wheel exercise. Walking.
Okay.
A nice one.
Just Let's put some lubricants.
Yeah. Well, what is that lubricants?
It's aromatherapy.
Yeah, I love that one because I'm allergic.
Aromatherapy.
I love
Such
aromatherapy.
oil.
Oh, yung ano, yeah, please, we just like to tell the audience that the massage not only for those who are feeling down or feeling sick, no? Diba? Kahit walang naramdaman.
Or depressed.
Yes. So, we just like to check the wrong concept that if you go to the therapist, you are really terribly sick, no? Even though if you are not sick or you are feeling good, but what is your advice? How many, in 1 month, how many times? Once?
For the good only for once a week or
Once a week.
1 to 4 times a week
Yeah,
is
4 times.
good.
A month. Okay. You mean
For
4
a
times?
month, oo, 4
Apat?
times.
Oh, so, yeah, so once a week is advisable
And
for body wellness.
4 times a month.
Yeah. I love that one. Oh. Can it be also from the head? Pwede rin niya. We'll start the head, no? Always
The circulation, blood circulation started for
Lower.
in the lower bodies, not in the head,
so this
not
is
in the back.
so this is the explanation. It should be the lower extremities. We'll start. It's not the upper.
But it depends to
Depends.
the client who
Yeah.
want first the.
But me, I love the lower extremities. Okay, wow. Feeling good. So amazing. So this is a day in the life of the retired teacher. When I'm still in the service, I don't have enough time even to have my wellness, my going to my friend to have this massage. So this is one benefits of being a retired teacher. I can exercise, I can have my therapy, wellness. Wow, amazing. I love it. Okay, for those who are nearby in Davao here, you can be in my very good beauteous friend, Leah Cornea. O si, Queen Aris there, you are, and in the Inna, meaning, you are asking once you asked me if whom I will recommend as the therapist. Yeah, come now to Wellspring to the beauty queen of Davao and Blang also. Yeah, please avail the services now. You know my friend there in Maligaya Village, malapit lang. No, she asked me once, sino daw magaling, so I give her name. But they are now in today, yeah, I've been there island hopping in Samal, I think. I was not able to join because I need to go home in a few hours. Okay. So this is my shared moment of having this massage reflexology. Can we show it to the audience? I love this this foot for the feet here. Okay lang yan.
Okay na?
No, okay lang. Here, look at this portion. Yeah, this is my favorite part of it. Yeah, wherein my feet will be massaged. Because according to what I read, yeah, there are corresponding parts of this, no? The heart, the lungs, do you know?
The liver,
The liver, what pang this?
the eyes,
Kidneys, the eyes,
the
mouth.
skin.
So, do you know how to identify? Alam mo kung saan tanda? Hindi.
Hindi ko masyado, pero mostly the heart is in the center.
Center, same with the feet.
With the our body,
So
the heart
this
is
one.
the center.
Yeah. So nice. Okay, so thank you viewers for joining me a day in Davao City today, here in Pag-ibig, Wellspring 2, Block 7, Lot 4, just in front of the basketball court. And also, available here is how many rooms? Not yet. For beach teaser. Not yet. Soon. Soon, she will open
Francine or rent or bed space.
Bed space or rent here. You're having third floor? Yeah. Third floor. And also use clothes, so amazing clothes pa, presentable. They're outside. I will be posting it later. Okay, but meanwhile, let's focus on my feel good to massage. Okay, and the next. So we are done with the left foot. The place is aircon, super cozy, comfy, and so cold. Malamig dito ngayon. Oh, your cat is looking at me. Is he or she? He seems to understand me.
Yes.
Hi. How are you, mabuhay? We are friends. I'm not an enemy. So,
welcome ka naman kanina.
Yeah, welcome. So actually, minimum massage is for how many hours? 1, 2?
More than 1.
More than 1. And what I like with friend Leah here is, when I will request for more pa, my plus more massage, more hilot, she would approve it. You know, yeah. Leah, the famous Pawi Cornea, yun, anak niya yun, daughter here in Davao City rather. A winner of, ano kayo yan, duathlon? Triathlon, which is swimming, walking, and biking, right?
Yeah, running,
walking,
and swimming,
biking, o tatlo, 3 in 1.
3 categories.
Yeah, 3 categories. So, what is that? ASEAN? What kind?
Asian medalist.
Asian Games?
Yeah.
20, kailan yun?
2019.
2019. So, the daughter of my very good friend therapist got bronze, I think. Bronze.
Yeah.
Bronze is second, third. Now, of course, with equivalent cash and popularity and here in Davao City. So, this is my share to you at this moment. And last December 23, I cannot remember anymore. Kaya yung 2019 pa rin yun. We went to, DP Mayura Sara Duterte for 46 volt. Is that 2019? 2019?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember, December 23. Okay, December 23, I was really blessed to be accompanied by Leah because it's the mother, and then Pawi there, and the 2 coaches. I was able to see personally our future president, no other than Mayura, former Mayura of Davao, Vice President, my idol, our idol, Sara Duterte Carpio, Inday Sara. So, we have our picture there in the Mayor's Office 2019. So, President of the Philippines. Okay, so, what are you waiting for? Come now. Join me, my massage, day massage for body wellness. So, once again, I am your blogger, the retired teacher blogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Live and alive in Davao City, sharing my moments of wellness for today on a day of Saturday. Thank you everyone, mabuhay and mabuhay years, for always viewing my vlogs. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life.
God is good.
Yeah, God is good all the time. Okay. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. I am your teacher vlogger. Teacher Bean, retired teacher, Erlinda Bean, Masilio. Thank you.